What if I told you that space is not just empty darkness, but a place where time slows down, stars explode silently, and entire planets can disappear without a sound? And the most shocking part? We are floating inside it right now. Let's start with something that will completely change how you think about the universe. Right now, as you're hearing this, you are standing on a spinning rock traveling at about 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator. But that's just the Earth's rotation. Now add Earth's orbit around the Sun at 107,000 kilometers per hour. And then the Sun itself is racing through the galaxy at over 800,000 kilometers per hour. And here's what you didn't expect. There is no fixed direction in space. There is no up or down. Everything is moving, but nothing is crashing into anything randomly because gravity is silently controlling the dance of the universe. Space looks calm, but it is one of the most violent places imaginable. Now imagine this: a star dying not with a whisper, but with an explosion so powerful it outshines an entire galaxy. That brings us to the next fact. When a massive star dies, it doesn't just fade away. It explodes in what is called a supernova. In a few seconds, it releases more energy than our sun will produce in its entire 10 billion year lifetime. If a supernova happened within 50 light years of Earth, it could wipe out most life on our planet. But here's the twist that makes it even more insane. Supernovas are also responsible for creating the elements inside your body. The iron in your blood, the calcium in your bones, the oxygen you breathe. All of it was born inside exploding stars billions of years ago. So you are not just made of Earth. You are made of stardust. Now let's go even deeper into something that sounds like science fiction, but is real. There are places in space where time itself slows down. This happens near something called a black hole. A black hole is so dense that its gravity bends space and time around it. If you were to watch someone fall into a black hole from far away, you would see them slow down more and more, until they appear frozen in time. But from their perspective, they would fall in instantly. This is not imagination. This is physics. And here's the terrifying part. Once something crosses the point of no return, called the event horizon, not even light can escape. That means black holes are literally invisible traps in space. We cannot see them directly. We only detect them by watching how stars behave around them. And yet, despite their danger, black holes are not cosmic vacuum cleaners sucking everything in. They only affect things that get very close. Still, the idea that something can bend time itself should make you question everything you thought you knew about reality. Now let's zoom out from the terrifying and into something strangely beautiful. There is a planet in our solar system where it rains glass sideways. That planet is called HD 189733b, an exoplanet located about 64 light-years away. The winds there blow at speeds of up to 8,700 kilometers per hour. That is faster than sound, and faster than anything we have ever recorded in our atmosphere. But the real horror begins when you realize what the rain is made of. It is not water. It is molten glass. So if you were standing there, which you absolutely would not survive, you would see blue skies, but instantly be shredded by glass storms driven sideways at supersonic speeds. Space is not just cold and empty. Sometimes it is pure hell disguised as beauty. Now let's talk about something that feels almost impossible. There are planets made entirely of diamond. One such planet is believed to exist in a system called 55 Cancri e. Scientists think that because of its carbon-rich composition and extreme pressure, the surface may contain huge amounts of crystallized carbon. In other words, a planet that could be worth more than every economy on Earth combined. But here's the catch. The temperature on that planet is around 2,400 degrees Celsius. So even if you could travel there, you would burn instantly before ever touching a diamond mountain. The universe is expanding. And not just expanding. accelerating in its expansion. That means some galaxies are moving away from us faster than light can cross the distance to reach them. So there are regions of the universe that we will never see. Not now. Not ever. Even in infinite time. They are permanently unreachable. And somewhere out there, in those unreachable regions, there may be planets like Earth, stars like the Sun, maybe even life looking back into their sky, asking the same questions. Are we alone? What is out there? What does it all mean? And finally, here is the part that brings everything together. Space is not just above you. It is not just around you. It is inside you. Every atom in your body was forged in stars. Every breath you take connects you to ancient cosmic cycles. Every element in your existence was once part of something far larger than anything you can imagine. You are not just in the universe. The universe is in you.